I just want to let all of you know that I spent 10 plus hours playing Mario versus Donkey Kong. And guess what, bitches? I fucking beat the game, okay? I beat every single level in normal and post-game, excluding the expert stages, without using a single guide or tutorial. I was able to figure out how to do every level all by myself with my brain. With my high IQ brain, I was able to figure it out. And this is an accomplishment that I would like to brag about, because normally when you do puzzle games or games that may be a little bit difficult, you may feel that you need to use an online tutorial or guide. But using my own brain and my own intuition, I beat the game. I beat it. There, you see that? That's the fucking credits. I spent my money on that video game and I just beat it. And you know what I'm going to do? Now that I beat it, I'm going to return it. Because I beat the game. And because I'm a GameStop Pro Rewards member, I get a 30% boost on my trade-in. So basically, I paid maybe, like $10 out of pocket for a 10-plus hour experience where I proved that I'm high Q as fuck. Because I beat the game. There are the credits right there. My personal review of the game, it was a fun game. I would highly recommend it. It is a challenge, for sure. But if you have a high IQ, a high-functioning brain, you should do just fine. And that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching this episode of Ovsterbone Games and Ovsterbone Brags. Because I beat it. I beat the game. I will always have that over you, that I beat the game. Thank you. Have a great night or day, whenever you're watching this. Goodbye.